emerged of the chilling murder of Praveen Krishna in broad daylight in Bihar's Nalanda district, and Praveen Krishna was a development officer in Delhi's LIC. Praveen and his brothers were thrashed allegedly by goons of land mafia, that is Chote Yadav, over a property conflict. Now, an SDO court had recently ruled in favor of Praveen Krishna in the property dispute case, which the family of the deceased claims was instigated by Chote Yadav. Here's the full report.
This chilling CCTV footage is of the barbaric attack on Praveen Krishna in Bihar's Nalanda, the home district of Chief Minister Nitish Kumar.
In a shocking case of land grabbing in Bihar Sharif, apparently the home district of Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar, Praveen Krishna, a development officer with LIC, was murdered by land grabber, a person named Chote Lal Yadav.
LIC official Praveen Krishna and his brothers were thrashed with iron rods, stones and lathis. Praveen died on the spot while his brothers have sustained multiple injuries.
उन्होंने पहले से इतने आदमी को बुला रखा था जिसकी जानकारी हम लोगों को नहीं हो पाई, और इसी क्रम में इतने लोगों द्वारा 3 भाई के ऊपर अचानक अटैक किया गया। मैं बचाने का भैया को बहुत कोशिश किया, उसके बाद भी उसको वहीं पे स्पॉट पे मार दिया और उसके बाद भी लाठी बरसाते रहा।
The murder allegedly by the land mafia Chote Yadav was over Praveen Krishna's property. The family alleges that using his clout, Yadav wanted to create a dispute over Praveen Krishna's property, but the attempt was thwarted by an SDO court ruling in favor of Praveen Krishna.
जमीन है, पुश्तैनी जमीन है, उस जिसमें मंदिर अर्धनिर्मित बनाया हुआ है ताकि उसको हम डिस्प्यूट करें, जबकि उसका सीमांकन सीओ ने मेरे पक्ष में दिया, कोर्ट का भी फैसला मेरे पक्ष में आ चुका था, और इसकी जानकारी छोटे लाल यादव को जरूर थाना प्रभारी, मुझे लगता है, ऐसा प्रतीत होता है कि उन्होंने दिया होगा।
The violent incident captured on a CCTV camera shows a verbal tension ensuing between the Krishnas and the goons. A group of men can be seen arriving a few seconds later, hurling violent blows to Praveen and his brothers who were attempting to save him. Even as Praveen collapsed, the goons could be seen hitting him with lathis. The murderers then go for one of Praveen's brothers, who could be seen bleeding from the head. Assured that the goons have left, the brother returns to find Praveen dead.
घटनाक्रम सीसीटीवी फुटेज में मौजूद है, क्योंकि मैंने इंस्पेक्टर से कितने बार सहायता के लिए मिला था, प्रोटेक्शन के लिए, उन्होंने प्रोटेक्शन नहीं दिया था। पुलिस पे मेरा विश्वास कम होने के चलते मैंने सीसीटीवी पहले से लगा रखा था मकान में।
उन लोगों पे उन्होंने लाठी ईंटों से बरसात कर दी और भाई को मार दिया। हम तीनों को बहुत मारा, लेकिन हम दोनों बच गए हैं। भैया को पूरा मेरे शरीर में पूरे पीठ पत्थर, ईंट और रॉड से मारा और भाई को पीटते पीटते मार दिया।
The family has been demanding capital punishment for the accused.
बस क्रिमिनल सब बैठा हुआ, पुलिस प्रशासन कुछ भी नहीं, यहाँ पे गुंडा राज है सबको। मैं तो दिल्ली में ही रहती, इसलिए तो सब लोग
कभी नहीं आऊंगी, कभी पटना में कदम नहीं रखूंगी इसके बाद।
मैं तो बिहार दिल्ली जाऊंगी।
बहुत गंदा जगह है यूपी बिहार।
The incident has prompted questions on the law and order situation in the state.
उसके लिए हमारी भी बात हुआ एसपी साहब से, कार्रवाई हो रही है। जो भी ऐसा किया है बचेगा नहीं, और अपने कानून जरूर कह सकते हैं कि अपने हाथ में लिया है, जिन्हें उसकी खुदाई हो रही है। निश्चित तौर पर वो बचेगा नहीं, वो जेल के अंदर जाएगा।
The family fears that their life is under threat, but even as the criminals are at large, the police says it is conducting raids and is taking action. Bureau Report, Republic TV.
To my colleague Prakash Singh now joining us live and getting us that entire exclusive story as well. Prakash, these are chilling images of a CCTV footage and a murder being caught on camera of Praveen Krishna, and we just heard the family members stating that they are fearing for their own lives. It's been over 3 days now. What are the authorities doing? And share more details about the case as well.
Well, Richa, yes, this is barbaric, heinous, gruesome. and appalling and shocking incident that has taken place in Bihar, and it is surprisingly it is the home district of Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar. Praveen Krishna, a development officer with LIC, was murdered in broad daylight, and despite repeated requests made by the family members, the police could not reach out to them. The police were in the know that this is a disputed property, and apparently one person who is a Bahubali, who has multiple cases against him in the police station, and is a known land grabber, habitual offender, who was harassing the family for quite some time. He had allegedly built a temple, and the judgment was ruled in favor of Praveen Krishna and his family members by the SDO court, and despite that the police could not take prompt action. And in the CCTV video that we have got, we can see that how with iron rods, sticks, lathis, Praveen Krishna was brutally assaulted, and his younger brother Sudarshan Krishna could be seen trying to protect his brother despite he also being injured. So this speaks volumes about the lawlessness that exists in Bihar as of now, and that too, one of the brother, Mr. Sujit Krishna, is a captain attached with the airport authority, and as well as these the family members. When I spoke to the mother as well as the sister, they say that they will never come back to Bihar, and this is a telling statement for Nitish Kumar, because it has happened in his own home district, and for now the alleged criminal Chote Lal Yadav is on the run. The police has failed to nab him as of now, and the family is demanding justice and capital punishment for Chote Lal Yadav.